Well, it's afternoon as I produce this video, and I'd like to show some results just using my funnel system regarding Save Club. Just about every day, it does not disappoint. As long as I invite people to click a link, the funnel system does everything from there. I produce a lot of car shows, over 100 car shows per season, which is March through October. So the last week, I think we've done 3 or 4. And I have a lot of other things I like to do, like work on vehicles. I own a radio station next door. So I'm not looking to retire. I just like to work efficiently and effectively. And I love to make money because it just naturally makes you feel good. I understand if you get down and out and you feel bummed out, if you're going to put some time and energy into any business. And if you don't get views or clicks, you take it personal and you think it's you. It's like, God, is it my personality? Is it my approach? Are my emails boring? Does my Facebook kind of seem, I don't know, bland? And do I buy traffic? Or should I try a video like Cory does where I buy wearing too many things that look yeller? And I even got my new $10, they're actually $9 plus tax. I got my little crocodile rock glasses at Walmart. They just help reflect this stupid light that's in front of my face. My vision's still good still. I'm almost 60 and I don't wear eyeglasses yet, but thanks for putting up with my weird glasses, that's for sure. But please don't take things personal when it comes to promoting things and if it doesn't work. I know that can really make you feel bad. And the reason I know this is because I think I'm a little more social than the average affiliate in any business. I am a people person, a purple people eater. Am I a people pleaser? I don't know. I guess so. I want you to succeed and feel good about yourself. Of course, I want you to join my team and make money because if you make money, I make money. And if I make money, I show you how I do it because I want you to make more money. Most things I do is, God, it's just cheap. $25 for the funnel. To join Save Club, $60, $19.97. $80 plus 25, that's 105. I recommend like business cards, get your own custom domain. I show you how to do all of this. But for $100 to $200, talk about turnkey business. You're ready, set, go. And I say we because if you sign up in my team, on my team or in my group, I want to know what you're most comfortable with. All right, if you can do a video where you turn on a webcam and talking to it like this, it does give you an advantage. People can kind of see, how do you dress? How do you smell? All right, do they have smell cams yet? I smell like deodorant right now. I put that blue, aqua fresh, cool smelling deodorant on right before I made this video. So hopefully I feel nice and fresh for you guys. Boy, I tell you, if the smell webcams come out, holy moly, that's going to be crazy. I wouldn't even doubt it. I'm sure they probably make one somewhere. But what you need to do is look into Save Club and don't be embarrassed by it. There's nothing wrong with joining a club that saves you money. And when people that you talk to or invite through email, Facebook posts, YouTube channel videos, or maybe you want to pay for some traffic, you can do that with a funnel system. Don't be embarrassed. Trust me, I do care about my image. Am I a little bit of a egomaniac? Probably. I love to show off. I love to be the horse's ass. I like to be the class clown. I love music and rock and roll. I even love Bee Gees and disco. I definitely value your opinion. When it comes to my Facebook posts, I am a massive smarty pants. There's no doubt about it. I would rather be Happy Gilmore, Adam Sandler than, I don't know, Jerry Seinfeld. I'm trying to think of comedians that, like, Jerry doesn't even make me laugh. There's a lot of comedians. Like, I've never laughed at Bill Cosby once. But you give me a smart ass like the great Sam Kinison. Oh my gosh, now that's my cup of tea. All right, I like Dave Chappelle. And I really do love Adam Sandler. He and I are only born 1 month apart. We're the same age. But I guess I do care about my image to some degree, but I'll tell you, I can guarantee you this. I'm not looking for a cash grab. I've never really needed money since 1980 because I've worked every single year through high school, after high school, right up to right now as I darn near approach almost 60 years old. I've been fortunate enough to have a job that pays my bills and then some, which explains kind of the waste of money you're probably thinking that's on my darn walls in back of me. But if I'm going to do something on my Facebook page, and I promote Save Club on my personal Facebook page that I've had since 2005 or 6 or 7. I forgot when Facebook actually said ready, set, go. But I post a lot about car shows, my radio station, my favorite things, something that might be topical or interesting. But you can bet your sweet buns that I definitely mix in Save Club with my personal business and my personal life. I'm not embarrassed about it. And when people join for that $20, I always have a $20 bill by me. All right, I have a stack of cash right here. For that $20, it saved me about $900. And you know what I had to do today? One of my Hummers, I got quite a few Hummers. You know those military vehicles? I had a sensor go out on the engine, and I had some things happen, and my bill came to $490 some odd dollars. $500. Look at that. There's one, there's two, there's three, four, there's like four there. $500 I had to spend today. And it was a local business called Denny's Auto in Draper, Utah. No relationship to me. My last name is Draper, but it was nice to go in there. And when they told me the problem and how they fixed it, and they did some extra things to make sure that it won't happen again, and then they test drove it to make sure it just runs awesome, my bill came to $500 minus about $4. So I think it was $496, something like that, $494. And it was nice to know that I make enough money to pay that. They made some money, and I've got a badass vehicle. As I was cruising around the last hour or so, doing some bills, I had to go inspect one of my motorcycles to get a little sticker on the back for the darn license plate. That was $97. The sticker was $7. I had to fill up my Hummer. That came to about $100 and something. So today was like a $700-800 day. And I have to spend that on gas and on a sticker for the plate. And I sure in the heck had to repair something that just wore out on the engine. It was no big deal, but things wear out and you got to fix them. And what a great feeling to know that because I'm not embarrassed about Save Club and how I've been able to just work it the last 30 days, I've been able to put $4,000 in my pocket. I've saved $900 and something just on tires at Discount Tire, Purple Mattress, and some other things. And I wish my friend's business, local auto place, was inside the Save Club thing, because maybe I could have saved $50 or $100. But you look, you just go, okay, Save Club, is it in there? And if it's not, no big deal. But I'll tell you what, in 6 months to a year, when we have over 1 million people, I have no doubt that a lot of local businesses anywhere on planet Earth is going to belong, and you can save. If you got that $20, you want to be an affiliate, it's $60. Today, I've had a really nice experience. I had more people sign up just by going to saveclubfunnels.com, and I love saveclub.com. My funnel system's amazing. It got me a few more signups today. Let's see, I have 5 people Thursday. Let's see, 5 pre-enroll and 2 upgrade. Thank you. Look, yesterday I had 5 people. And as a matter of fact, I think I've had 16 people sign up just in the last couple weeks. And with my funnel system, I hit well over 40. As a matter of fact, in my mail right now, I have 3 other people that signed up. So I think I'm at 44 people. Times that by 20. So let me see what that is. I have a calculator here on my cell phone. I'm not that smart here. I got to go 44 times $20. So I just hit $880 cash that my funnel pays besides Save Club. It has nothing to do with Save Club. My funnel system's $25 and the company pays me $20. This is recurring. I have no doubt that everyone's going to use this funnel system month after month after month because it's just superior. It's the only funnel. It's the best funnel. You can pay for traffic to go to the funnel, but it over-explains Save Club in a nice, slow way where everybody can sit back and just understand it in greater detail over 20 minutes via video versus 6 minutes. Okay, now when you sign up as an affiliate, you get this page right here. And you can see it by going to ilovesaveclub.com. But when you go to saveclubfunnels.com, you're going to go to this page and you're going to put in your email. It's going to go to this video here. This is my bread. This is my butter. Now I just need some toast and jam, maybe a little peanut butter. And boy, what a fattening breakfast I'm going to have. Okay. I just want you to go to both these links right now, and I'll end this video. I'm at 10 minutes already. ilovesaveclub.com. I've signed up a lot of people. I'm already 7th in the world by doing just ilovesaveclub.com. But in the last 2 weeks, I've made $880, and I've signed up 15 or 16 people by just inviting people to saveclubfunnels.com. Okay, check it out. I think you're going to like what you see. And if you need me, Cory at corydraper.com. Email me anytime. Find me on Facebook. I'm not shy. You can inbox me there too. And if you've already signed up in Save Club under another group or another person, no big deal. The funnel system, it will work if you're in Save Club or not in my group. It's just up to you. But let's get you in. You got $60. You have $19.97. Let's do it. And you got that 25. Just get the funnel now. I know you're going to use it. Everybody just says, screw it. Let's just do the funnel. All right. Thanks for your time, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.